Welcome back. My name is Jesse McClanahan, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Usually I'm on here making something or creating some sort of art, but today we're going to be opening up trading cards, and we're going to get straight into it. The other day I happened to be watching Tony Lawson's podcast, and him and Flip Shades opened up a couple packs of these, so I kind of know what I'm getting into, but not really. There is a variety of rarity, so hopefully I can find some rare ones. That'd be sweet. So here's the package. So first off, these packs are pretty sweet. I like the traditional eagle on there, and here's a bunch of the different artists. Alright, so first off, that's a nice little crab there. Tidal crab, Nat Power. Mopey, Crocodile Jackson. Oh, and another thing about these, if you get the Crocodile Jackson cards, on the website, he says that these, you can go get these tattooed, you can just give these to anybody, but if you want one of the other images tattooed, that you should go to their Instagram or their website or whatever and contact that specific artist and make sure that they're fine with having somebody else tattoo that piece of art. And honestly, probably that it's being on a trading card game and it's just out there, they'll probably be alright with it. Another Nat Power, Tiger Portal, Jinju. I really like that. Pretty graphic and bold. Blue Tattoo, Fancy Sweethearts. Another Crocodile Jackson. That one's super cool. Big text breaking the ice. Gorgeous Adobe. Ooh, this one has a gold star. Not sure exactly what that means. I'll have to look it up. Brett Burnham, Skull Chump. This one has a gray star. Again, I'm not sure. I think black, gray, yellow, red. So that yellow might be a kind of a rare. That's actually pretty cool. Rabbit. Alright, so most of those were black stars. I got a 5 gray stars and 1 yellow star. Again, I don't remember what is like the rare ones, but I assume the yellow is the most rare. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and I'm gonna put all the other ones by color. And we're just gonna knock out the rest of these. If anything pops out that excites me, I'll point it out. Oh, okay. So this is the first one with, all these other ones have just a white background. And then this one has some sort of gray. Looks like a textured of some sort. And then this one is the rare one for this pack. It has this sweet lightning background, which is really cool. It's the yellow star. Whoa. I'm pretty sure that that's a super rare. It's like a holographic Hanya mask. A Horifuku. That's super cool. Pretty excited about that one.
That's actually pretty cool too, I like that. I actually like that one a bit too, the Betty Boop.
I like that one a lot. Casey Grant, I'm a big fan of that one. It's not a rare, but I like it. I like this one a lot too, the frog.
Ooh, again, another one of these weird gray textured. I'm not sure what that means, but we'll find out. I like that one too, that's pretty neat. I like that one too. Girl biscuit.
Ooh, interesting. So this isn't like a super rare or nothing, but it has a fancy background on it. Who Tattoo, Strange in the Night. A little rainbow unicorn action going on there. That's super cool. Can't stop looking at this holographic. This thing's super cool. back. Let's see if we get anything good.
Demon? Say. Kind of rare Kenju. It's not a super rare or anything, but I'll take it.
Oh wow. I really like this Fast Eddie piece. Last card, last pack. Alright, so there you have it. 10 packs of Flash Friends tattoo trading cards by Crocodile Jackson. I got a decent amount of halfway rare ones. Out of the 10 packs, I only got the one super rare. It is a holographic. I don't know if all the super rares are holographic, but like I said in the beginning, it's a red star and there's a yellow star, a gray star, and then a black star is just your basic. It came with a sweet little sticker. I'm friends with Crocodile Jackson. I'll put that somewhere nice. I'm definitely gonna have to get like a little sleeve for this, this holographic. Super excited about that one. I like that, the Hanya mask. But if you want to go get yourself some, go to his website. They're like $5 a pack or something like that. I think it was. The more you get, the slightly better deal you get. I got 10 packs. It wasn't that big of a deal. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'm always here doing all kinds of different things, art, making stuff. It's a good time. See you on the next one.